Hey, everyone. Welcome back. I am Zella Digital. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create your very own Telegram channel in under 5 minutes, whether you're a business owner, content creator, or community builder. This is super easy and free. And don't leave, because at the end, I'll share powerful tips to grow your Telegram channel fast. So, let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store, Play Store, or telegram.org for your PC. Now, tap on the pencil icon or New Message icon and then select New Channel. A pop-up will ask you to name your channel and write a description. This can be your brand name, niche, or purpose, for example, Zella Digital updates or daily business tips. Next, choose your channel type. Public. Anyone can search and join your channel. Private. Only people with an invite link can join. Pick what suits your goal. If you want reach, go public. If you're building exclusivity, go private. If it's a public channel, you'll now choose a custom link like me/your channel name. Make it simple, relevant, and easy to remember. Telegram may prompt you to add your contacts, but you can skip this for now if you want. Go to your channel. Tap the channel name at the top to open its info page. Scroll down, or tap the pencil/edit icon if you're the admin. Go to Manage Invite Links. Now you can copy, and that's it. Your Telegram channel is live and ready to grow. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe or follow for more tips on digital marketing and branding. See you in the next one. And join my Telegram channel link in bio.